finally done it. Our dream apartment. Spacious, bright, perfect. But like a cruel twist of fate, our joy slammed to a halt when we saw the kitchen. Oh, the kitchen. My kitchen is so small. I can reach the fridge, stove and sink without moving. I call it Remy's palace. Crushed. I felt like we had lost everything. And one night, juggling work, I dropped Grandma's old pot. It shattered into 100 pieces. Then smoke rose, forming a shimmering figure. Genie! Why? Genie, our magical genie. He asked.
Why are you crying, my dear?
I said, मेरे पास बंगला है, गाड़ी है, माँ भी है, लेकिन big kitchen नहीं है.
Don't worry, my dear. Abracadabra!
Suddenly, the granddaddy of kitchen corner solutions appeared. The OG breakthrough in kitchen corner solutions. The magic corner. But Genie, why is it called Magic Corner? A kitchen storage arrangement that lets you reach goods in the kitchen's every nook and corner is called Magic Corner. 2 sets of storage trays sit inside the corner cabinet side by side. A single smooth motion brings both the shelves outside within reach. Is nothing short of magic. Actually, it's more about cleverness and technical sophistication than magic. The Magic Corner uses intelligent pull-out technology here, where a sliding frame attached to the cabinet door and walls allows the front trays to slide out, pulling the back trays with them. One smooth, soundless movement. It even shuts off virtually on its own. The soft stop makes sure it closes softly and silently with just one light push. If this is not magic, then what is? But Genie, how it will solve my small kitchen problem? This is great for small and compact kitchens where every square inch matters. And there is already a dead space in the kitchen corner, and scope for more cabinets in the floor space or wall cabinets is not possible. In such scenario, Magic Corner gives you a number of benefits. High-class kitchen units. Magic Corner is hands down the most exciting kitchen corner solution. This is one accessory that makes you swoon for the high-class sophisticated kitchen look. Effortless feel of the soft and silent feature gives you a wonderful automated functionality. It's like having a touch of luxury every time you open your cabinets. Your kitchen will feel so much more refined. Maximizing space. That often dead storage space inside the corner unit is actually used effectively now. Magic systems are truly amazing space maximizers, as they make full use of every nook and corner of the cabinet space that earlier you thought you could not use. These square containers fit nicely in square cabinets, minimizing wastage. 4 good-sized shelves split over 2 levels offer lots of storage space. The front shelves measure roughly 1 by 1.5 feet with a load capacity of 14 kg in the front and 18 kg at the back. So with a total load capacity ranging from 40 to 50 kg depending on the brand, there is almost no limit to what you can keep on them. Remember, this is the only corner accessory that utilizes 100% of the corner space with 100% ease of access. Accessibility. Say goodbye to your kitchen backaches, helping you to reach even the darkest corners of your cabinets with 100% ease of access. Front baskets pull out and swivel to a 90-degree open position, while back baskets slide forward individually, providing total access. The shelves and their contents are brought forward to you, and you can take out anything without having to bend down and lean in, so it is better for your back. Organized storage. If you are meticulous like me, imagine this. The 4 shelves keep you super organized through your most hectic cooking moments, so you can bifurcate all the different type of items into 4 sections separately and ensure that they never get mixed up. No more digging through cluttered cabinets to find what you need. The contents can be stored and displayed neatly within reach. Finally, a place for everything. Oh great, Genie, but nothing is perfect in the world. We need to know the demerits of Magic Corner. Not suitable for all. Magic Corners can be installed for left or right hand blind units, but require a minimum door opening of 21 inches and more for additional clearance for the door hinges. So it is suitable only for a large dead corner space. It's not suitable for L-shaped cabinet boxes. It's not required for straight kitchens as well. Difficulty in cleaning. It may be easy to clean the Magic Corner unit, but it's very difficult to clean inside of the cabinet box after the fitting is done, as a unit obstructs the access inside. Professional help. This requires professional installation, as it is one of the complex kitchen installations involving several parts. It needs to be precisely positioned and aligned within your cabinet, so it requires high-level technical skills from professional and experienced carpenters. So it's better to seek professional help from company installation. Inexperienced and half-knowledgeable Munnabai carpenters cannot ensure a proper fit. Maintenance. Magic corners have many moving parts like baskets, rails and mounting brackets using high technology, so they may break down more easily than other options. The design of the mechanisms makes them prone to damage caused by wear and tear. To avoid this, it is important to take care of them by periodically checking for tightening any loose components and lubricate any moving parts. Also important to distribute the weight evenly to prevent strain on the system and ensure longevity. Costly unit. Be prepared. Magic corners aren't a budget-friendly add-on. They tend to be one of the pricier kitchen storage solutions. Now stick around. Later in this video, we are going to share the price and various brands of magic corners. But Genie, what can be stored? Magic corner tray size is perfect for mid-size pots and pans, cutlery, ceramics, ovenware, bakeware and small mid-size appliances. Also, it's good for a secret backup pantry for snacks, canned food, spices, sauces and condiments. Or if your kitchen sink is next to the corner unit, then this can be an extension of your under-sink unit by storing all cleaning supplies or kitchen utilities. Now you might have seen two types of magic corners and confused which one is better. Magic corner 1 is a basic model with a more automated functionality of the sliding. The first set of trays is attached to the door, so you don't need to pull anything out yourself because all the trays comes out at once. The Magic Corner 2 is actually an improvement to the Magic Corner 1, where a two-step process of opening provides complete access with two distinct roll-out shelves that roll out from being pushed to the cabinet's open part. This is not attached to the door. Our recommendation is to opt for Magic Corner 2 if you can afford it, for two reasons. One, as it is attached to the door, the pull will eventually cause wear and tear and maintenance to the shutters and cause slight rattling if weight is not distributed equally among the shelves. And second, accessibility and convenience is also tad better in Magic Corner 2. In Magic Corner 1, back shelves have to be accessed at an angle like this, whereas in Magic Corner 2, entire back shelf can be pulled outside the cabinet totally. Not only that, each of the back shelf can be independently pulled out as well, offering you greater convenience and lesser wear and tear. Okay, that's cool. Now Genie, tell us what type of tray set should I choose? Two parts of the tray sets are the railing and the plate decor. So in railing we have anthracite, chrome, metal and glass finishes. Glass finish can give you the most polished, refined look to the kitchen, but also delicate and most expensive. So opt for it if budget is not a problem and storage items are mostly pantry items and not heavy utensils. Anthracite, chrome and metal will be great option if you plan to store utensils. In plate decor options, we have anthracite, ice white and wire basket set. We suggest to avoid wire basket set as they look a little bit down market now. Cleaning issues in the cabinet due to spillage through the gaps, and all metal organizers still make rattling sounds when the shelves have been fully loaded. Do consider it if you have budget constraints as cost is a minimum. Now coming to the most important part you have been waiting for, cost and brands. First, we have the high-end German solutions. Here we have Hetic ranging from 25k to 60k, Half LA from 45k to 1 lakh, Kesabomber 60k to 75k. In mid-range, we have a good balance of quality and price. Calf from 28k to 39k, Ebco from 25 to 35k and Godrej 25 to 30k. There are also local products available which is made in India. Few good products are mentioned in the pinned comment section. In the next video, we talk about other models of corner units and which is the best product among all. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe.